This is the Wheel of Doom, the inflammasome. It can turn a mild pollen allergy into asthma and other severe symptoms. At its center is a sensor that acts like an alarm system. Once triggered, it recruits helper proteins that assemble into a large, wheel-shaped structure. It is one of the most destructive molecular machines in your body. Most of the time it remains silent, hidden inside your cells. But when a cell detects signs of infection, damage, or danger, the pieces of the inflammasome rapidly come together. As the inflammasome activates, it switches on molecular scissors that cut and release powerful distress signals. These signals spread through nearby tissues, alerting the immune system that something is wrong. Soon, the damaged or infected cell tears itself apart in a fiery self-destruct sequence. It may sound extreme, but this sacrifice helps stop infections from spreading and gives the immune system a better chance of winning the fight. Without the inflammasome, dangerous microbes could gain a foothold. But when this molecular machine becomes overactive, it can trigger excessive inflammation and contribute to disease.